Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Xiaomi Redmi A3 for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, look for the simple mode. I'm gonna check if there's one. Nope, there's no simple mode on this device. So that means we'll need to adjust all of the settings manually. Now let's scroll down and find accessibility. Click on it. Inside, select display size and the text. You'll be able to adjust the font size as well as the display size using those sliders, and I'm just gonna make everything as big as possible. Font size will change the text size, and display size will change the size of basically everything, including text. For some reason, it didn't change anything. Okay, it did, but after some time. Next is a bold text. When activated, it will make all of the font thicker so we can read better. There's also high contrast text, which adds a black outline to all of the text and is mostly visible on home screen. Then next thing will be in color and motion. Here I would remove animations, and this will reduce motion sickness when using your phone. And the last thing I would do is go for magnification. Activate magnification shortcut. You should see the accessibility shortcut right here with the loop. Click on it, and that way your screen will add orange outlines. Now anywhere you click on, it will zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on that same loop icon again. And that's all of the settings I would recommend to change. You can of course experiment right here in the accessibility for your phone and make it better. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.